lightning round, CMMS, you know what that is. I don't need to tell you. Predictive maintenance, the big six. If you happen to have some time, I have a lot of videos online about the big six predictive technologies that'll give you an overview, but the ones you'll hear about most are vibration, thermal imaging, and oil analysis. The other three are cool too, but these are the big three that you'll hear about. The reason you want to implement a CMMS in parallel with this is those technologies identify the flaw. They let you know you have a bearing problem, you have a misalignment problem, you have an impeller that's wearing, whatever the case might be, but they don't implement the repairs. They send a signal of the presence of that flaw to the CMMS. The CMMS, MaintainX, receives that, launches a work order, plans, procures the bearing, schedules it with the right mechanic. None of that stuff happens in the predictive suite. That happens in the CMMS. So this is a marriage made in heaven. CMMS and predictive maintenance technologies should always be deployed together 100% of the sites. They absolutely help one another. They are a very natural pair, and I recommend coupling them together 100% of the time to every client regardless.